This is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. It has a V6 with 3.6 liters and is the flex fuel. The AutoCheck report gives this van a score of 91. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. We'll go inside so I can show you the rear, the back storage area. And this van seats 7. So there, it's pretty deep here. And the rear seats, third row bench, folds down nice and flat. You're gonna pull 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice you can do that all one-handed. And both of those, this one also lays down just as flat. And the middle captain's bucket seats as well fold down in. So this whole area can be nice and open. To pull it back up, you grab 4, 2, and there you go. Again, one-handed operation. It does have a power lift gate. All right, and then to top off this van, we got 4 brand new tires connected to aluminum alloy wheels. Let's go inside. You do have the power sliding doors. You have a mix of some leather and then fabric right here, which makes it nice and comfortable. That's my favorite type of seat, actually. There's the third row. There is the bucket seat on the passenger side and the bucket seat on the driver's side. The rear passengers have control of their own air. And then this right here slides out. Gives them a nice little storage area. Your seats fold down inside here. And that is where your bucket seats will fold into. But if you need the bucket seats out, that is also another storage compartment. Okay, here is the front passenger seat. Let's go over to the driver's seat and check out some of the features this car has. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control, audio controls, your lights, power locks and power windows. Here is your driver's seat. All right, this display screen is where your backup camera is, and also, sorry, I'm losing my mind. There's your USB port right there. And then it also has navigation. You have tri-zone climate control, traction control. There's some 12-volt ports. A nice little storage compartment there. And inside also storage. This has a USB port in there as well. And then there's your slider controls and a place for your sunglasses, as well as the rear, so you can check out. Make sure your rear passengers are being well behaved. If you are looking for a van to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Dodge Grand Caravan out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!